Today I'll show you how to link your Wuthering Waves mobile account to your PlayStation 5 so you can keep all your progress and play across devices. First, make sure you already have a Core Games account linked to your mobile game. On your phone, open Wuthering Waves, go to Settings, Top Account, and check that your game is bound to an email or social login. If it says Guest, bind it now to avoid losing progress. Next, on your PS5, download Wuthering Waves from the PlayStation Store and open the game. On the start screen, you'll see the login options. Select the same login method you used on mobile, whether that's email, Google, Apple ID, or another link option. Enter your details and the game will sync your existing character and progress. Once you're logged in, double check by loading into the game. You should see your mobile character, levels, and items exactly as they were. And that's it. To recap, bind your mobile account, download the game on PS5 and sign in with the same login method. Now, your progress is linked across both devices so you can seamlessly switch between mobile and console.